Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, what do you have in mind? Let's begin. We use the expression, what do you have in mind, to ask someone to give further details about a certain plan. Example conversation. This is the plan presented by my team. What do you have in mind? I'll let you know tomorrow. Complete this conversation using the video. Use what do you have in mind in your response. Let's try this. We've been doing this all day, but we haven't made a decision. Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use, there's no such thing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.